apologise now for the noise because we're actually in the middle of a thunderstorm. Today I'm going to show you two ways of collecting water in an emergency situation. The first one is in a carrier bag, in a bin liner, and the second one's off a tarpaulin into a mess tin. The first one I will show you in a minute is the black bag. You can collect water in that, and then also you could put a purifying tablet in now, one tablet for 1 litre of water for 10 minutes, and you could drink it. Or the other option you've got is boiling it and have it on a rolling boil for a minute, let it cool, and you can drink it. The other one, off the tarpaulin, I wouldn't put a purifying tablet in that because we've used a dirty stick. I would boil that on a rolling boil for a minute, let it cool, and then drink it. Right, I'll show you what we've done. This is the bin liner. I'd advise you, if you're doing it for real, to collect the water, is to use a heavy duty bin liner. And this has only been going for about 5 minutes. And we've got a fair amount of water in there. So with this one, you could put a purifying tablet in there, or boil it up on a rolling boil for a minute, let it cool, and then that's drinkable. The second one is tarpaulin, tied on with paracord, and then bungees at the bottom, so it's on a slope. You put a stick here, but you can put a rock or something heavy to weight it down, into the mess tin, which this is only done on for 5 minutes, and we've got a whole mess tin full of water, of which you boil that on a rolling boil for a minute, let it cool, and then it's drinkable. Thank you for watching.